Hey guys, so this is July's freebie. So with any purchase, you'll get this file and it's free. And you can find it in the thank you download message. These are the baby wipes I get. I get them from Costco. I also heard that Sam's Club has really good fragrance-free baby wipes. I don't have a Sam's Club. Um, So I tried to create a file that was going to be super quick. I have a lot going on, and trying to keep my honey stand full has just been crazy. So I didn't want something that was going to be, time consuming. So I tried to make it as quick as possible. So I'm going to use Cut the Mustard. I use Sherwin-Williams colors that I get from Home Depot, and you can actually get them from Lowe's, but I like the size that Home Depot has. So that's why I get those, only because the bottle size I have, they fit perfectly. So it works out great for me. So if you haven't figured it out yet, these are going to be earrings. Um, I'm outside because everybody's home, school's out. And so you'll probably hear my chickens. You'll probably hear the birds. My dog might even bark. I'm not even sure what's going to happen. I've got hummingbirds buzzing me. So we'll just see how this goes. Oh, so that was white flour. And then I'm not sure if I mentioned that these are sample paints that I get. So that was the size. This is Bohemian Black. You'll find that I try to use the same colors kind of over and over. It's not that I don't want to be, whatever. It's just I don't like to have to spend tons and tons of money. So, and you've probably figured out too that I do a lot of bee stuff because I try to find stuff that sells in my honey stand. So, in the file, this is an optional one. So then you can have them as dangles. Well, with the dangle earring clips. I don't know. Yeah, I did bring them out. So, let me see if I can get this open. So, like with these, which I can provide a link, or as a stud would be this version. And then let's use the little stud ones. So anyways, I'm gonna paint this little piece here while I got this out. So these were just, I kind of include them almost in every one. I just like them. I think they're fun and they're easy. If you're wondering this little, because normally I stick it to my paper, but I got this fantastic idea from Chris at Sawdust Makery. So I can just keep reusing this little sticky board. And then I don't have to keep wasting all my tape. Oh, lose you. Okay. So, I mean, that's basically it. And I can, if you wanted to stop right there and start assembly, I mean, you could totally do that. That's how easy this is. And I'm probably going to go back and have my daughter help me do like a little mass production here so then we can get them in the stand because I know they're going to be cute. So I'm going to take 220 grit sandpaper. Let's kind of rough these up a little bit. Again, you can even leave them just like that, which I think I might. But I kind of wanted to add polka dots to these and just see how it would look. I should have eaten before doing this. I kind of had the shakes. I'm just trying to get all the stuff done. My family's leaving for 4th of July. They're heading to Minnesota. So I was going to do it on these ones first and just see if I even like it. So I'm trying to get all the things done. I still have painting tutorials for the watercolor stuff. I know I'm trying desperately. Having a full-time job and trying to do the stuff that you love, it's kind of hard. So anyways, okay, so I'm going to leave the other ones blank the way they are. And I can always add it later if I like it once we put it together. So I'm going to peel all these off and we'll start sticking stuff together. So I'm going to let those dry to the side here. Ugh, okay. So how to fix that? Since you saw me do it. There, voila. And I'll just start over with it. Let me just do it. Then we can dry. Okay. So I was going to add shading to the wings, but I think that's perfect the way it is. So I'm going to leave them and put them together. We'll see if we get to putting them together all the way. So I use, for the wood pieces, I like Titebond Quick and Thick, only because it gives me a little bit of leeway to try to, make everything perfect. And then that way I can move it around and do what I need to do. And by all means, if you want to paint the little lines, go ahead. I don't want to. I wanted them to be simple and easy and quick and do you guys know that the hardest part for me for most of my little tutorials is trying to find the music? I know they offer like free audio for YouTube videos and stuff, but I spend more time just trying to find the music than I do actually creating the product. So it's kind of frustrating. Okay, so those and those are done. So now we're going to put them together. I don't normally do this on camera, but I thought I always get lots of questions on how I do things, so we'll do it. So, of course, I can't find I bought many needle nose pliers, but they seem to disappear. My older daughter likes to help in making stuff for the stand. She'll get paid, but then sometimes my stuff disappears. So I'm just gonna really crank that out, and we're gonna is this dry? Let's do this version, I guess. I need it to go on the right way. Sorry. It's hard when the camera's in the way and I can't see what I'm doing. Let's make sure it's pretty looking. I can see I got cat hair in the way. Okay, so there's that. And again, and what I should have done too, and I'll have to go back, is I should have done the back all black. So then it was pretty. I try to do the Bohemian black on all of my. So, but there it is. There's one put together. And then you can see how this one would just be the stud. Sorry. Be the stud, and then it would go that way. But I wanted you to be able to see it like a finished earring. So I think they're super cute. And by all means, you wouldn't have to do the honeycomb part black either. I just kind of liked it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish them and then put the little studs together. And that's what comes in the file is the little stud and then the two different types of earrings. You can either do this as a stud version and have it hanging dangly, or this version. So I hope you like them. I'm going to try to get some more tutorials done today. All right. Thank you.